Guys, this is literally the coolest machine I've ever used. And yes, that is a pun. Hey, I received this in exchange for this review, but all of these thoughts are my own. Inside, you can see that it's full of ice water, and that's going to be used to treat things in your body that are not feeling well. So get some cold therapy out of this thing. You're just going to wrap this pad around your knee or elbow or shoulder and then turn it on, set it for the length of time that you want to use it for, and let the machine do its work. The controller does give you several options for how to use it. Of course, you're going to turn it on and then select your time, whether 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or even it has a continuous mode that you can keep on using, so it'll keep on giving it to you until you turn it off. It has a handle for easy transportation as well. Of course, you're only going to want to use this under the direction of professionals, whether you're in sports or you've been going to the doctor and you need cold therapy for something that you're healing from, or you have general aches and pains that you can use cold therapy and that'll help you feel a lot better. To use it, you're just going to plug everything in, make sure your hoses are snapped together properly, make sure you fill up ice to the ice line down there, and then also water to the water line, no more than the max as it shows. Then just wrap the pad around what you want therapy on, and then wrap around the elastic band to keep it all securely in place, and then just sit back and relax. And then, of course, you want to make sure that you're being in tune with your body. It is quite cold, so make sure to turn it off when it's done its job. And yeah, like I said, this is the coldest, or did I say coolest machine I've ever used, and I mean that quite literally.